In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change page size in Microsoft OneNote. Adjusting the page size can be very helpful when you're preparing notes for printing, organizing content more neatly, or simply customizing your workspace to fit your needs. To begin, open Microsoft OneNote and navigate to the page you want to modify. Make sure the page is fully loaded so all layout options are available. Once you're on the correct page, direct your attention to the top menu and click on the View tab. This tab contains several display and layout tools that help you control how your notes appear. From the View tab, look for the option called Paper Size. When you click on it, a panel will appear, usually on the right side of your screen. This panel allows you to customize the dimensions and layout of your page. Inside the paper size settings, you'll see several preset options such as letter, A4, or other standard sizes. Select the size that best matches your purpose. For example, if you plan to print your notes, choosing a standard paper size ensures that everything fits correctly on the page. You can also adjust the width and height manually if you prefer a custom layout. Simply enter your desired measurements into the fields provided. This is especially useful if you want a specific format that isn't included in the default options. In addition to size, you may notice orientation settings, such as portrait or landscape. Changing the orientation can give you more horizontal or vertical space, depending on how your content is arranged. Select the option that works best for your notes. As you make changes, your page will update to reflect the new size and layout. Take a moment to review your content and adjust any elements if needed. You may need to reposition text, images, or tables so everything fits neatly within the new dimensions. Changing the page size is particularly useful when preparing structured documents, handouts, or notes that require a consistent format. It helps ensure that your content looks organized and professional. And that's it. You've successfully changed the page size in OneNote, giving you more control over how your notes are displayed and shared. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.